Natural numbers. Definition. Natural numbers are the set of positive integers from 1 to infinity. They are also known as counting numbers because they are used for counting objects and zero doesn't exist in natural numbers. The set of natural numbers is represented by the letter n. Some examples of natural numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. Even numbers. Any number that can be exactly divided by 2 is called as an even number. Even numbers always end up with the last digit as 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Some examples of even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Odd numbers. An odd number is any whole number that cannot be evenly divided by 2, leaving a remainder of 1 when divided by 2. Examples 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Factors. Factors are numbers that divide another number evenly, leaving no remainder. In other words, factors are the numbers that, when multiplied together, result in the original number. For example, consider the number 12. Its factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 because 1 times 12 equals 12. 2 times 6 equals 12. 3 times 4 equals 12. One. Prime factors. Prime factors are factors that are prime numbers. These are the irreducible building blocks of a number. For example, the prime factors of 12 are 2 and 3. 2. Composite factors. Composite factors are factors that are not prime numbers. They can be further decomposed into prime factors. For example, 12 has composite factors such as 4 and 6, which can be broken down into their prime factors, 2 times 2 and 2 times 3, respectively. Prime factorization. Prime factorization is the process of expressing a composite number as the product of its prime factors. For example, let's find the prime factorization of the number 72. Start with 72. The smallest prime factor of 72 is 2. Divide 72 by 2 to get 36. The smallest prime factor of 36 is again 2. Divide 36 by 2 to get 18. The smallest prime factor of 18 is again 2. Divide 18 by 2 to get 9. The smallest prime factor of 9 is 3. Divide 9 by 3 to get 3. The smallest prime factor of 3 is 3. Divide 3 by 3 to get 1. So, the prime factorization of 72 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, or simply written as 2 cubed times 3 squared. Formulas. The sum of n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of square of n natural numbers n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 into 6. Sum of cube of n natural numbers n into n plus 1 into 2 sum of n odd numbers equals n square where n is a natural number. Sum of even numbers is equal to n into n plus 1. Quiz. Question number 1. Prime factorization for 12. Question number 2. A man is in a 20-floor apartment. Present, he is now in the ground floor. He goes to 10th floor and then goes down 8 floors downwards and goes upwards 12 floors. Now in which floor he was there? Question number 3. Ramu orders in 25 kilograms tomato bag. He orders 10 bags and what is the total weight of the 10 tomato bags? Question number 4. Chandu wrote in test he got 4 marks for every correct question. And he got -2 for every incorrect question. He got 20 questions correct, and he got 10 questions incorrect. Then what is his total marks? Question number 5. A dam has a capacity of 10,000 liters due to drought in that village. The 2,000 liters water gone evaporated. Then what is the present storage of the dam? Thank you. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe.